is your name?
Well, Okay, all right. Let's see, I guess Tutter can wait one more minute for his box. Okay, here I come.
Hi, Bear.
Whoa, nice tent, Treelo.
Yeah, tent.
Yeah. Tents are neat, huh? Being in a tent is kind of like being an explorer in the jungle. Yeah, listen. Can you hear the animals? Like a parrot? Yeah, a parrot in the jungle. Monkeys! Yeah, monkeys are a lot of fun. Or even a lion. Treelo, it's okay. We were just pretending, remember?
No lion. Pretend.
Yeah. No lions here. No, I really have to find that box for Tutter now.